Next one, 9.14. In the alkane CH3, CH2, CH3 twice, CH2, CH3 twice. So identify primary, secondary 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms and give the number of H atoms bonded to each one of these. So here solution, it is the condensed formula. Now I will pick the, so divide the equation CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3, next CH2, next CH, twice CH3, next then I will again CH, C, hydrogen, C, so this one CH3, again CH3, next one CH2, next one CH, next one CH3, next one CH3. So here see, it contains 3 hydrogens. If a carbon contains 3 hydrogens, then it is primary carbon. If a carbon contains 2 hydrogen, it is the secondary carbon. If a carbon contains 1 hydrogen, it is the tertiary carbon. If a carbon contains 0 hydrogen, it is quaternary carbon. Here see, this carbon contains 1, 2, 3 hydrogens, that means it is the primary carbon. This carbon contains 2 hydrogens, it is the secondary carbon. Next, this carbon contains no hydrogens, so it is the quaternary. This carbon contains 3 hydrogens, so it is the primary carbon. This carbon contains 3 hydrogens, so it is also primary carbon. Next one, this carbon contains 2 hydrogens, it is the secondary carbon. This carbon contains 3 hydrogens, it is the tertiary carbon. This contains no hydrogen, so it is the quaternary. So it is the 3 hydrogens, that means it is primary carbon. Next one, this carbon contains 3 hydrogens, 1, 2, 3, so 3 hydrogens, that means it is the primary carbon. So it is the primary, secondary, primary, it is quaternary, it is primary, it is secondary, it is quaternary, primary, so it is primary. So totally primary carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Secondary carbons are 1, 2, so 2. Tertiary carbons are, so there is no tertiary, 1 hydrogen, no, so 0. Quaternary carbons are 1, 2. So it is the answer. So 9.4, thank you.